Good girl si Ikay. Mingkay ko. Akit mo yung paa mo, be. Sige na. Yala, Mingkay. Para hindi ka mahirapan, Ikay. Sige na. Yan na. This is my cat here in Riyadh. Her name is Mingkay. Sometimes Ikay. Sometimes Kikay. Akit mo paa mo, be. Uy, very good. She understand what I told her, right? Told her to put her feet on the floor that she can eat properly. Good girl. Good girl talaga ang baby ng mama, ah. Enjoy mo lang food mo, Ikay. Bye for now because I will feed another cat also. Good girl.